So here we have the position vector of the point A, B and C given to us as A vector, B vector, C vector. We need to find out the value of A vector plus 2B vector minus 3C vector. Let us begin. So here, let's try to understand it graphically first. So here we will be considering 3 points, point A, point B and point C. A has the coordinates 3, 4. Then we have the coordinates of point B as 5, -6. C has got the coordinates 4, -1. We'll be also considering another point O, which is going to be the origin of some coordinate system with respect to which we are measuring A, B and C. Now what we'll do, we'll join point O and A with the help of a directed line segment going from O to A. So, with respect to the origin, we can now define the position vector of point A. So, position vector of point A, that's going to be defined by the vector OA. This will be equals to 3 times I cap plus 4 times j cap. Fine. Now, what we'll do, we'll find out the position vector of point B and point C. Position vector of the point B, so that's going to be OB vector. That will be equals to the way we obtained OA vector. It's the similar way we'll be obtaining OB vector. That means what we'll do, we'll consider the coordinates of the origin to be 0, 0. Now, to find out OB vector, what we'll do, we'll first take the difference of the x coordinate. So here, difference of the x coordinate means we'll take the coordinate of the endpoint of B. So the x coordinate of the endpoint of B, that's 5, and from here subtract the initial point, which is the x coordinate of the initial point. So that's 0. We have 5.0, multiply it with I cap, indicating that this is the x component, and then add it to the difference of the y component. So we'll do -6 minus 0 j cap, and this is going to give us 5 I cap minus 6 j cap. This is how we obtain 3 I cap plus 4 j cap as the position vector of point A. And then finally, we're going to find out the position vector of point C, the OC vector. This is going to be equals to 4 I cap minus j cap. Now it's already given to us that the position vector of point A is denoted by A vector, position vector of point B is denoted by B vector, and position vector of point C is denoted by C vector. So we have A vector, B vector and C vector. Now we can find out the value of the given vector. We need to find out A vector added to 2 times B vector minus 3 times C vector. Now this is going to be equals to A vector, we have 3 I cap added to 4 j cap. This gets added to 2 times B vector. So B vector is going to be 5 I cap minus 6 j cap minus 3 times C vector. So that's going to be 4 times I cap minus j cap. Now that gives us 3 I cap plus 4 j cap added to, so 2 times 5 I cap will be 10 I cap minus 2 times 6 j cap will be 12 j cap minus 3 times 4 I cap. So that's 12 I cap minus, this is going to be positive 3 j cap. And finally, that's going to give us 3 I cap plus 10 I cap. Now that's going to be 13 I cap, and minus 12 I cap is going to give us positive I cap. Then we have 4 j cap minus 12 j cap. Now that's going to be negative 8 j cap. And to it, we're adding positive 3 j cap. So that's going to give us negative 5 j cap. So this is going to be the value of A vector plus 2B vector minus 3C vector.